The Blind Porcupine by Madison and Malia. The sun was shining, the grass was blowing in the breeze, but for Porcupine, the day was just another black shadow. "Where is everybody?" he asks. Every day he put his paw in front of his face and he couldn't see it. "I'm blind." When Porcupine gets his Sunday paper, he gets the Braille copy. He saw a spot where it said, "Transplant for corneas." You see, Porcupine was born with glaucoma, and he was blind. He was only able to see if he had a transplant. Porcupine chose to get the transplant. When he was able to see, he looked at his doctor. "Who are you praying for?" Porcupine asked. "You, darling, you," the doctor says, "because a miracle just happened." The end. Thank you, iBank. Yes.